Dradis version 4.17 comes with several new features and updates. We'll cover 3 of them here. First, kit downloads. Previously, you could download a copy of your template. Now you download a kit file. This file contains the report template plus the associated report template properties and mappings. Anytime you need a report template update, our support team would love it if you sent them the whole kit. Next, we have a new MITRE ATT&CK calculator. You can now add MITRE ATT&CK metrics to issues from the MITRE tab. Once you select a tactic, the calculator will load the associated list of techniques followed by sub-techniques based on your selection. You can include enterprise, mobile, and ICS data all within the same issue. Finally, a white-labeled experience for contributors. As a Dradis admin, you can add a custom logo and brand color in the instance's settings. When your contributor users log into Gateway, they will see this logo and color in the Dradis UI, allowing you to customize beyond the custom liquid themes. Dradis version 4.17 comes with many other features and updates. Head over to the users portal, check out the full release notes, and download your upgrade file there.